aimless in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up.
Hey superstar, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maryam Kapama. If you're new here, hi, hello, welcome, and thank you very much for tuning in. And if you're a returning supporter, regular watcher, day one subscriber, I so much appreciate you for tuning in. And if you're new, please press the subscribe button so you get to join the family, and press the bell notification so you get notified every time I do an upload, so that you don't get to miss anything that I do in the future. In today's video, I'm here to answer you all you need to know about this cactus. If you're a returning supporter, you might already know that I do a lot of cactus video on my channel for natural hair. And today, I figured to answer you all the questions that you need to know about this plant. Most people know it by Tunaplant. Superstar, most of you might know this as the cactus plant. Some people might know it as a Tunaplant, but either way, we're going to answer all the dilemma that comes along with this plant when it comes to natural hair. We use this in our hair so many times. I have done tutorials on how to prepare this in different ways that you can adjust this to your hair regimen, and it works magic on your hair. So if you're interested to know all this uncertainty about this Tunaplant, superstar, this question are from a Facebook group. That's why I share my videos, because in this channel is still growing, so I don't have much engagement so far going on. But if you can, please support a girl and engage to my video. Comment down below, let me know something about it, you know what I'm saying. But for now, since that we don't have it, I have a place where I share my videos, and that's a Facebook group. That's where I'm going to get all these questions answered, because these people have been asking, and I really I didn't know about this before, if it would have been a problem until when this question arise. So I'm here to clarify and answer a lot about this plant right here. You're going to excuse me if you see me watching this, so that's where I read my questions from. It's from the PC. I just logged into the Facebook so I can read them directly, but I'm also going to share them in the screen. So to begin with, I'm going to start by answering this this first one. There's no chance of getting this cactus, this size of cactus in the UK. No lie, it's true, man. This cactus is way too big for life. Previously, I have been using cactus that are this small, you know. I was using what I'm having. So until one of my relatives called Elizabeth hooked me with a very big cactus. That's when I made a cactus deep conditioner. I'll link a video right over here so you can go watch it. That cactus was way too huge. It even surprised me. I was even shocked while shooting the video. It was too big. But then I traveled and come across. So I travel, and here in this place there are cactus everywhere, and the cactus around here, they're thick. You see this? Way too thick. So people are asking, like, where on earth can I get cactus? Like, personally, I swear I don't know. But the good thing is, people in this same group help me answer those questions. Some recommended Mexican stores, because most of the people watching this video are from the US, and some from different parts, you know. So you can get them from around your neighborhood if you come across them, because they grow in dry place. So if they happen to grow around your area, then just feel free to use it. And don't worry about the size of the cactus that you're getting, because somebody asked you, will the small size do? Because size do not superstar. Somebody is asking, please, can I use cactus on my palmed hair? Honey, yes, cactus is for the hair. It doesn't matter whether you are palmed or natural, but it's going to work miraculously in your hair, because it's what it's meant for, to boost your hair growth, to fasten your hair growth, to provide strong hair strands and all that goodies. So if you want a detailed video about this cactus, just let me know in the comment and say, put those cactus emoji in the comments, and I'll know what you guys. This is from Ellen Kamwanza. She's asking, how do you prepare it? Listen, I'll leave a whole playlist of tutorials on how to prepare this cactus. You can prepare it in so many different ways. Like the way you prepare deep conditioner is different from how you prepare a pre-poo or a detangler. It's also different from how you prepare a leave-in or even a co-wash. So I'm going to leave it down in the playlist. Be sure to check it and see which one suits you best and how you're going to adjust it to your hair regimen. However, let's jump to another question. Okay, this is CN Obis. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Can I use cactus powder? Honestly and truly, I'm not going to cap in here. I have not come across cactus powder, but if you have access to cactus powder, I believe it will be as effective as the fresh leaf, because it's still cactus. So I want to say you can adjust this powder to your deep conditioner or anyhow you can, but I hope it works the same thing. But personally, on my personal experience, I always have access to fresh leaf. That's what I meant, fresh leaf. I always have access to fresh leaf. I've never used cactus powder. So next question is from Jenny Bowie. I have never known that cactus could be used the same way you can use aloe vera. Honey, you can. These plants belong to the same family, so you definitely can use them as the same way you use aloe vera. They have multiple purpose. They're multi-purpose. You can use them different ways to your hair regimen, so just be sure to adjust them. And also check the playlist if you want to see how to make different ways of this cactus, because I leave everything in the description box as I said below, and I'm also going to attach some cards, so be sure to click them through. So here is the beauty about the community I am in. Somebody was like asking, where can I find cactus leaf? And somebody from the same area, I guess, helps reply to the other person saying, I think you can get it to any grocery store, they have it. Another one came, you are welcome, thank you, you're welcome, and try by the fresh vegetables. So even if you're watching this video and you have no access to this plant direct, you can check the grocery store in the fresh vegetable section. You see, that's where to get it. Okay, again, grocery store have them in the produce section. Okay, in the produce section, that's how they call it. This is what's going on in the US, but God, take me there someday. Tobila Posh, can we use cactus with thorns? Who does that? They're going to prank you. I don't know. I think you get the thorns when you take the cactus leaf, which is not yet much ripe. I don't know how to call it, but if you see such as this, I can even go like that. I didn't even take time to remove. There are only some tiny little ones left, but once it's a matured one or ripe one, or I don't know how to call it, but it will not have thorns. It will be as smooth as this. They'll just be left with, I don't know if it will focus, but you have something like that. No thorns. I didn't even chop them. That's how you get them. But if you use those small ones, there will be thorns everywhere. Be sure to remove them. You're not going to use thorns. Superstar, I hope this video was helpful, because I really wanted to clear the dilemmas that are alongside with these plants in order to help you adjust to it and adjust your regimen so you can grow your hair longer, thicker, healthier, and voluminous. If you found value in this video, please go ahead and give this video a like, comment down below, and let me know. At least just comment, even just leave me some cactus emoji. I'll appreciate. I'll know you are hooked with the jam. But also, I'm going to leave you with this video right over here that I show you how to prepare with a live demonstration how to make a cactus leave-in conditioner. Legit, it's going to grow your hair so fast. I love it because it have grown my hair extremely. So let's go. Come on, man, come on. Be sure to follow me on all my social media accounts. They're down in the description box.